Here's a General Electric refrigerator. I've seen many of these before. Then I found this one, this particular one. It's pretty much in great shape, for what I know. Except for this paint shape right here, and otherwise it's still in good condition though. Has some Russian lace letters on the door, in the freezer. I found the fridge door, which is a full mess in here. Yep. So we got the temperature control. Now it's coldest. You obviously get this, which I'm not going to turn over for this video. Also for the light switch, where you close the door. So this is it.